today I'd like to talk about an important issue that affects of many young people, teenage pregnancy. So teenage pregnancy is not just a personal matter in their life, it's just a big impact on a young person's life as well as on their family and the community. So at a young age, most teenagers are not yet ready and physically, emotionally, or financially to take on the responsibility of being a parent. Because of this, many are forced to stop their education and based on the opportunities that could have helped shape their future. So at the same time, we should understand that this situation doesn't always come from that decision alone. Sometimes it's due to lack of the proper guidance of the parents, limited knowledge and peer pressure or difficult life of the circumstances. That's why it's important to respond with understanding instead of a judgment. So education plays every important role in our preventing teenage pregnancy. So when the young people are given the right decision and information and support, that they are more likely to make responsible choices. Open communication with parents, teachers, and the community also creates a safe space, um, safe space where teenagers can ask questions and seek advice. So my advice is that addressing the teenage pregnancy requires awareness and to awareness of the teenage same like me that supporting cooperation lang by guiding and education the youth that we can help them and build a better and a brighter future. Thank you so much.